Hello. Hi, how are you? Oh, I cannot hear you, my dear. No, I can. Oh, no, still no. Hmm. I can hear like at the mic when you are moving, but I cannot hear. Let me check if it's my side. No, shouldn't be. Maybe refresh the page. Hmm. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Good now?
Now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Amazing.
Yeah.
Great. Hi, my name is Aoife, and I am from Ireland.
Yeah. My name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Ah, where in India do you come from?
Uh, Northern part of India, Uttar Pradesh.
Ah, UP, is that correct or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay. And tell me a little bit about the north of India. So I have a visa until August, I believe, midway through August. And I've only seen very, very little of the south. And I'm thinking about maybe going to the north before my visa runs out. So I am wondering in what month would be the best time to go visit the north?
Yeah. So right now in
Hmm.
March and April, you can come because it is very good weather in India. Not very warm, not very cold,
Okay.
not very hotter. Yeah, it's
Mhm.
very cool weather.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so tell me about your state. What is there to see or to do within UP?
Yeah. Within UP, first of all, UP is known for Taj Mahal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and in UP there is a world largest school.
Mm.
Yeah, in Lucknow, it's capital of UP,
Hmm.
where I think no 55, yeah 55,000 children study. According,
Stop.
yeah,
How?
yeah, it's recorded in Guinness Book of World, so it's
Wow.
very large.
I'm going to Google it. City Montessori? No. Yeah, in Loac. Wow.
Yeah, so our state is known for good agriculture and
Hmm.
sugarcane also
Mm.
grown in at large extent. And
Hmm.
rather than our state is known for spiritual things and some holy places like Banaras and Ganga River.
Hmm.
Yeah, there is lots of things, and in our state, our God was born.
Mm.
Yeah,
Which god?
God like Rama, Krishna.
Krishna was born in UP.
Yeah,
Okay, wow. I did not know that. I did not know that they knew where Krishna was born.
yeah. So UP is known for all these things, and currently a big Ram temple is
Hmm.
being constructed
Hmm.
in UP. So I think it was a big issue in India,
Hmm.
Ram Mandir. So now it has been resolved, and when it will be constructed, I think uh, Indian people as well as people of outside of country must visit Ram
Hmm.
temple. Yeah,
Nice. Okay. And where is it being constructed? Is it in a special location?
yeah, it is called Ayodhya.
Ayodhya. I've never heard of it.
Yeah, but Lord Rama was born
Mhm.
in Ayodhya. That's why it is
Okay.
being constructed there.
Uh-huh. Nice. Okay. And what do you like to do there? Do you go to temple or what do you like to do?
Yeah, so being peaceful, I go to temple
Hmm.
because if I don't go like these holy places, so in my mind there is a lot of bad thought camps. It
Sure.
is not good for us, I think.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I I think I must go to temple.
Yeah, nice. Okay. And most people in UP are veg or non-veg, do you think?
Now recently they are being uh, vegetarian and
Hmm.
non-vegetarian. Yeah,
Hmm.
but I think before some time there is not like this. They
Hmm.
eat much non-veg,
Hmm.
but nowadays I think they are getting involved in like these things.
Mm, okay, nice. And what do you do there? What is your job?
I do farming and
Mm,
study. I have completed my post graduation with English, and I do farming. Yeah,
okay, and what do you farm?
yeah, simple like peas,
Hmm.
wheat, and rice,
Mm,
and pulses as well.
nice, okay. And what do you enjoy about farming?
About farming, I enjoy everything, and
Mm,
right now you can see a lot of greenery in my
mhm,
field
mhm,
because I think peas and wheat crop is in full swing, and it is it is very good condition right now. So I enjoy a lot whenever I go to my
nice.
field.
Okay. And how many people tend your field? Is it just you, or do you have a team of people?
I don't have a team, but sometimes my villagers come to cut
Hmm.
our crop
Hmm.
because alone it is impossible.
Sure.
So my villagers came to help me.
Nice. Okay. And how big is your land on your farm?
It is very big, but I can't describe like this.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And your farm was given to you by your family? It has been in your family for generations, or you have got it yourself?
No, I don't got by myself. It is belong to my family, my ancestors.
Nice. Amazing. Okay. And what is some difficulties you face in farming?
Yeah. Sometime if it hell there or it is heavy rain there,
Hmm.
and sometime insects uh, demolish our crop.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, that time we face difficulties because
Sure.
it is very disappointing things for
Sure.
me. Yeah.
Sure, sure, nice. Okay. And do you like being outside and working with the soil? It must be very peaceful type of work.
Yeah, so it's a very peaceful work seems to me because
Mhm.
we love to our soil. You know, wherever you born, so I think it is very grateful to know and you love
Mhm.
that place. Yeah, but in future maybe I go to somewhere.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. And tell me, what do you like to do when you are not farming in your free time? How do you spend free time?
Uh, in future I would like to be a teacher and right
Mm.
now if I don't do farming,
Mhm.
then I scroll with my friend throughout my village and
Mm.
I do a lot of fun with
Mm.
my friends.
Sure.
Yeah, it's like quality time because we are living with my childhood friend who
Mhm.
studies with me and till now they are living with me. So
Mm.
it's very amazing.
Nice. Wow. Oh, that's so cute. And tell me more about your village. What is your village like?
Yeah, my village is very beautiful because
Mhm.
one side there is a big pond and other side is a big river.
Nice. Wow, lots of water.
Yeah, and third
Good
side there's
soil.
sorry.
There will be good soil around so much water.
Yeah, and the third side there is a huge ground
Hmm.
where people go for grazing
Mm.
their buffalo, their cows.
Hmm. Hmm.
So uh, it is very good atmosphere in my
Hmm.
village, and this is something very special connection between your villagers. That there is if there is a small village, then you know each other very well.
Hmm.
Whenever you meet, they ask about their health, their issue, their problems. So it is very amazing things about
Yeah,
village. And whenever you face any trouble, they came to support you. Very
nice. Yes. And would you ever think about living in another place outside of your village, or you always want to live there?
actually, I want to live there throughout my life in
Hmm.
my village, but I think maybe I have to go to another state
Mm.
for something, or you can say for livelihood.
Hmm.
So
For
uh,
livelihood, yeah.
yeah, in compulsion, I think I may go.
Hmm. In what?
In compulsion,
In compulsion.
compulsion like helplessness and something like this.
Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. And tell me, where is your favorite place in India to travel to when you go for maybe travel or vacation? Where do you like to go?
So in India, uh, Himachal Pradesh, Mussoorie, it is
Hmm.
very famous for traveling.
Hmm.
And apart from that, Nainital, Uttarakhand, also uh,
I don't know this place.
called Devbhoomi.
Uh huh.
Yeah, and Rajasthan also is known for their historical structure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
so I think there is lots of thing in my bucket list. So I must
Nice.
to visit one day.
Yes, lovely. And it was Holi not so long ago, correct? Like last week or the week before.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And did you enjoy Holi? What did you do during Holi festival?
Yeah, I enjoyed really
Hmm.
because we met with a lot of my friend
Hmm.
who was not getting touch with me. So in at Holi occasion, we go to every relative's house and
Hmm.
met with every friends and we applied color to each other
Hmm. Hmm.
and our house in our house ladies make a lot of food which is very
Mm.
famous things so we
Mhm.
eat a lot and we enjoy a lot
Nice. And what is your favorite celebration throughout the year?
throughout the year it's Deepavali is the biggest festival in India
Hmm. Hmm.
and as a Hindu I think Diwali
Okay. And Diwali is in which month?
it is sometime in October and sometime
Uh-huh.
in November. So I think you are very familiar with the Indian culture and Indian things.
Sure. Yes. I've been to India, obviously, as I told you, and I study yoga. I'm a yoga teacher, and I'm really interested in Indian culture. I think it's really interesting, and the history and how it is being preserved. I yeah, I really love the culture. I really love the food. I really like the depth of the religion, of the Hindu religion. I really enjoy it all, to be honest.
Yeah,
Yeah. Nice. We're going to lose time, my dear. But it was lovely to meet you and have a lovely day. And I will speak to you again soon.
yeah.
Okay. Talk to you
Bye.
later. See you. Bye.